Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, today I want to talk about something very important, something that stop many people from speaking English, and that is fear of making mistakes and saying sorry for their English. But today I want to tell you never say sorry for your English. Many people, when they start learning English, they feel shy, nervous, or sometimes they feel like others will judge them and others will laugh at them, right? And they think their English is not good enough. They think when they speak, so they will making mistakes, and they do not speak at all. But let me ask you a question. How you improve your English if you don't speak, and how you become confident if you keep apologizing for your English. Think about a small child when they start learning walk, okay, but they do first step, they fall. So what do you think? They feel ashamed, they say sorry. No, they don't. But they again get up and try again and again. And one day they can uh, walk properly. In the same way, when you start learning English and your first step, you when you take your first step, so definitely you will make mistakes. But that is okay. Mistakes means you are learning. Mistakes means you are growing. Now let's talk about why people say sorry their English. Because they feel shy. They feel other will judge them, and they compare their English with native speakers, and they think I'm not speak English like them because of my grammar is not perfect, my pronunciation is not good. But my dear friend, it's okay, because I will tell you, native speakers also making mistakes. I give you an example. When they speak flawlessly, they makes mistakes like she don't sleep, but correct is she doesn't sleep. So everyone is making mistakes because no one is perfect. Sometimes when they start learning English, they also making mistakes in their childhood. So why are you compare all the time the native speakers? So don't do this. You just believe in yourself and start speaking flawlessly. And don't think about too much grammar. When you start speaking, automatically you are realizing that you where you are making mistakes. Other reason is when people start speaking, they feel shy, and the reason is why don't they speak? Because they think their English is not good enough, and they feel all the time negative comment. That is the reason why they don't speak English, because of they think some negative comments, and when someone correct them, there is their rude in a rude way, so and laugh at them. So it's not your problem, my dear friend. It's their bad behavior, not your bad English. So don't think about that type of people who their rude behavior. Okay, you just keep on your speaking English and keep your learning English, and you just keep going and don't think so much about other people. Okay, because English learning is process. Okay, it's just a process. So why are you afraid from other people? Why are you think that other person judge me? And why all the time when they correct you, so you say sorry for your English, right? But not don't do this, because when you apologizing for your English, so how can you improve your confidence and how can you improve your English? So what should you do instead of feeling say sorry? So firstly, you change your mindset, and instead of saying sorry, you just say I am learning. And instead of embarrassed, you feel proud of yourself, because some people they want to speak English but they don't try. But at least you are trying, you are learning English. It means you are growing, right? This is the process and you accept it and you learning. At least you speak English, at least you learn a new language. So proud of yourself. So practice every day. Whenever you do in your life, you just speak, you just learn about your grammar or your pronunciation, you can work on it. And don't think about other people. They feel you guilt that I'm not perfect in English, I'm not able to speak in English. Don't think too much, you just step by step you can learn. Okay, and enjoy this process. And every day you just practice and practice, because practice make a man perfect. And yes, focus on your communication skills when you speak with someone and you communicate with someone. So focus on your what you are saying and what you want to say, right? So you just try and note down your notepad and do every single day that their when you speak, so what their vocab. So how can you speak with someone and how can you improve your vocab? Try to talk with people. Okay, try to talk with people. Start with your family, your friends, talk in English. And you just uh, when you read books, so many vocabulary you can learn from books. So try this and communicate all the time you enhance your vocabulary and enhance your grammar. And just speak whatever comes in your mind, you just speak and communicate within English, and definitely you will be able to speak in English. And one more thing, when you practice, so you can just write down your daily routine in English and speak a lot. Whatever you do, whatever when you talk with someone, you just speak in English. Immerse yourself in English and don't say sorry for your English, because of when you feel say sorry, you just stop yourself. So don't do this. Just improve your English and say I am just learning when someone correct you, and say thank you when they correct you. And when they laugh at you, say I'm learning, but don't stop speaking. Okay, you just speak. So if this video little bit helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, keep practicing and keep growing and learning all the time your new things. Okay, so see you in the next video.